we have our M390VL gym bag. Your monogram will go here, centered on the front of the bag, which is opposite side of the knotted drawstrings. Use a ruler and a chalk pencil to mark your center, which is 8 inches from the top seam and 8 inches from the sides of the bag. Slide the bag onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame, centering on the mark that you made at setup. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Add 1 sheet of solvay to the top of the sewing area. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our water-soluble topping is designed to enhance embroidery on the top side of fabrics. We now offer 2 of our favorite steamers, which we have found to be helpful in removing solvay quickly from finished products and wrinkles from the fabric. We also offer a Jiffy Steamer liquid cleaner to remove hard water deposits from all models of Jiffy steamers. It is suggested to use this cleaner as a preventative solution every 3 to 6 months, depending on how frequently you use your steamer. Our water-soluble marking pencil keeps your marks visible only while you need to see them. When you no longer need the marks, just wipe them off with plain water, perfect for darker fabric. When your sew is complete, remove the item from the frame. Steam away the excess solvay. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.